Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2007 Ford F-150 and we're doing a tune-up on it. It's got 77,000 miles on it, and just did a quick scan. Engine control module, we got misfire, cylinder 1, and we got this other code here, and leaded fuel was used. You could tell that. And he told me he put unleaded fuel on top of a half a tank of premium. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, man. A quick tune up. I'll show you how we're gonna get it done. Ford is notorious for plugs being broken off in the head. Hopefully we don't have that problem. Let's go.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
These spark plugs, Motorcraft. They call for platinum. Alright, so what we need to get these coil packs out. These coil packs here. 7mm on each coil pack. Got that loose, pop it out. And that's what we're gonna do on all 4 of them on this side and the other side. That's all 4 of our coil packs on the passenger side. I'll get down in here and get these spark plugs out. So we got a 15 on that, 15 mil deep socket extension. Second one. I don't know if this thing needs some valve cover gaskets, so they may have just been replaced. They look pretty clean around the cover. Valve cover gaskets, they look brand new. You can see the blue. They were old there, you can tell they'd be old and covered in oil and dirt. That's when I pulled out the second spark plug. That's from the third one right there. Even deeper. Get that third one. See what we got. Yeah, said these spark plugs, they said they did a tune-up on it. client said he just bought this vehicle. They said they did a tune-up on it. I don't know. Not sure. Can't really say. But that's what we got going on. And my client can see for himself what's going on. Definitely got some sludge down in there. That one was pretty dry. Alright, that's how it's supposed to look. We're gonna move to the driver's side. Go ahead and knock that out. Same thing. See, we got our coil packs. Driver's side coil packs out. So I realized none of these harness connectors have clips, like locking pins on it that locks the. None of them have it on here, so you can basically just pull them off. And they broke all of the clips. First spark plug on the driver's side. Ain't too bad. That's the second one. A little bit more wetness. And that third one pretty dry. Alright, that's the last one. It's got a lot of buildup, a little dirt, and I don't know where that's coming from, but what y'all think? It's not in all cylinders. Look like we got brand new valve cover gaskets, both sides. Anti-seize. You need this lubricant. Put it on your thread. Now we're gonna drop them in. Don't literally drop them in, because if you do, you will damage the tip of it. See all of them? You can bend it, so you don't want to just drop it in. Use your magnet and use your magnet like that and put it in there. Set it in there, detach the magnet. Alright, we're going back in with our coil packs. All of these look fairly new. I want to know if they replaced them all. It's possible, because they all look fairly new. So these on this side, they do have clips. Yeah, it look like it's just the passenger side or the driver's side that don't have the clips on it. And we in there. So this is going on with these clips. Since the clips are not in there, they can just come right out. Alright, we're going to erase the codes. We still got one in the system. What's that? Alright, so I took it for a spin and the codes came back. That cylinder 1 misfire and that startup. So from what I'm assuming, he has a bigger issue, either a head gasket problem. I noticed the coolant codes So it's a good possibility. He's gonna need to do some further testing, do a pressure test, figure out if he needs a head gasket or intake smoke test, and do all of that. So all right, man, so if we got another video, I'll be showing y'all that if he wants the work done. All right, till next time, Pull Up King.